In this video, I will be talking about the LeadCreator AI dashboard. It's pretty simple. Once you log in, you'll be greeted with this screen, simple, that immediately prompts you to create a lead magnet, or at the top, this is the same create a lead magnet on the create button. This one is the lead magnets that you have already created. This tab is for affiliate information. This tab is for settings. In the settings, you can actually create domain, or you can actually add your own domain to LeadCreator to brand it as your own. This tab is analytics. This tab is agency settings. This tab is team members. This tab is training. Quite a bit of extensive training is given on how to use LeadCreator AI. As you can see here, there's training for the basic affiliate program. There's training for creating your first lead magnet and so on. And of course, the changelog, the LeadCreator AI platform is in constant being updated. So the changelogs would be recorded here. That's it for this video and the dashboard. Go ahead and click on the link below to see the 15-point article.